Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the tutorial on face tracking in CapCut Mobile. So if you want to add effects, tags, or emojis that stick perfectly to someone's face even when they move, face tracking is the key. So what you need to do, let's just start a new project in here, and I'm going to add a video first. So let's see, I'm going to add this ones right here. Click on add. So let me trim the video first. Okay, let's click on the video and find the eye contact options, this one. So enable it. CapCut will adjusting the eye directions. Click on a check icon, and now you can swipe, click on a video and then swipe until you find the motion blur. Set the blur into 25 and the blend to 67. Hit on a check icon and wait until the motion blur apply to your clip. And that's it. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye!